Hello class! Today we're making a recipe inspired by the delicious garlic noodles from Crustacean, a popular Asian fusion restaurant in Beverly Hills, but it will be keto-friendly. Here are the ingredients. You can either take a screenshot, and they will also be listed in the description box. First, we are going to quickly rinse and drain the shirataki tofu noodles, which are made of konjac yam and tofu. It's a great low-carb alternative to egg noodles. They come in a pack with liquid, and if you don't rinse it, it can kind of smell fishy. So make sure you drain the liquid and rinse it well, and then set it aside. Let's make the shrimp. Normally I would cook these in a pan on the stove top, but I just don't feel like washing another pan today, so they will be cooked in my handy dandy air fryer. Line the tray with a tin foil and add a tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 5 to 6 pieces of shrimp. Season with salt and pepper and a dash of paprika. Pop it in the air fryer, and I'm using the shrimp preset button, which is 370 degrees for 6 minutes. In a saucepan, add 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of monkfruit sweetener, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Since I use a lot of oyster sauce in my cooking, I shopped around and compared different brands of oyster sauces, and I was able to find one with the lowest carb count at 3 grams per tablespoon. If you have time, I would highly recommend taking time to compare them. Lastly, add a dash of white pepper. Put the saucepan on the stove on medium heat. Stir and mix all the ingredients together and bring the sauce to a boil. Add the shirataki tofu noodles and toss it to combine evenly with the sauce. And remove from the stove. Now our shrimp should be done, and so take them out from the air fryer, and it's time to plate. I like to plate my food because I'm a designer and it's kind of an occupational disease. I like to make things look pretty, but seriously, you don't have to make it fancy looking like mine. This recipe really speaks for itself. It is so good that you will love it no matter how it is presented. Sprinkle with some grated Parmesan cheese and garnish with some chopped parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice. You can also make a bigger portion and pack it for multiple meals because they're so easy to reheat and taste just as good the next day. I hope you enjoy this delicious and guilt-free dish. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.